how to convert PDF to Word, change PDF file to Word document. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So as you can see on our screen, this is the PDF that we're going to try and convert into Word. So first things first, let's open our Word over here and click on Open. In this, click on Browse, and you should then be able to locate your PDF. So simply select and locate the PDF that you want to be able to convert into our docs and click on Open. You will see this pop-up option over here. So Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Click on OK, and you will be able to get your document over here. Now keep in mind, it's not going to be exactly the same as your PDF file. So there would be some issues maybe with the spacing, the font style, or the font size. It depends on how complex the PDF file you're trying to convert. If you want to be able to edit this, simply click on Enable Editing, click on OK. You should then be able to now add your different text here, modify it however you want. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.